All right, we are on. We are on. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Zoom guys, welcome back. YouTube guys, welcome back. What a day. We got some absolutely insane market moves over the news over the weekend. Some absolutely huge moves to start the week. Very, very active start to the week. Gold's already sold off like 350 ticks this morning, already dipping back higher, which is nice. I think there's some pretty nice buying opportunities. I'll let everyone tune in before we start breaking down. I got some interesting outlooks to show you guys today across a broad range of markets, not just gold as well. There's a lot of things on NASDAQ I want to have a look at. Have a look at copper, having a little look at oil as well. We'll have a look at some stocks and some crypto as well. I just saw, hey Jimmy, welcome back, man. Casey, Andrew, welcome back, guys. I just saw what Chow posted in Discord. In the past 24 hours, 2.17 billion was liquidated from the crypto market, which is insane. Chow says the biggest liquidation event in crypto history. 2.17 billion liquidated in the past 24 hours. You have to let that sink in for a minute. That is absolutely insane. That's why I don't buy Bitcoin 100,000. But again, there is a lot of good dip buying opportunities coming on a lot of longer term plays, which we will absolutely have a look at. If anyone hasn't seen the news over the weekend, Donald Trump posted on Twitter yesterday. That's why it's good just to download Twitter just for the sake of keeping up to date with this. Donald Trump has implemented a 25% tariff on imports from Mexico and Canada and an additional 10% on China, which is huge. Absolutely. Markets have gone nuts. Ethereum down 26%. Wow. I saw XRP did have wow, look at that. Oh my days. XRP did have a big drop as well. Like, nuts. Going from, what's that? From the all-time highs at just above, 3.3, down like, almost 50%. Like, nuts. Absolutely nuts. Oh, apologies, guys. I haven't posted the fundamentals this week. I apologize. Let me just let's have a quick look. Yeah, in terms of news this week, we got manufacturing PMI coming up today for the US dollar, 3 p.m. London time. JOLTS job openings on Tuesday as well. Obviously, first Friday of the month, so we got NFP on Friday and unemployment claims on Thursday. So we do have a pretty big week. Obviously, gold saw a historical month again last month, hitting all-time highs. I honestly think this month is just going to be just as active. I think the markets throughout all of 2024 are going to be extremely volatile, which is in a good way. Gold to pump, investors scared. Well, this is what we're going to look at before we start jumping down some lower time frame stuff. Is the last time this happened was, let me just see, let me fire up for you guys, was in 2018. That was the China and United States trade war. So the last time this happened was back in 2018. And gold actually had a sell-off during that time. If we just scroll back, we go have a look back to 2018. Where are we? 2018 January. So where is it? In February, kind of started off, pretty bullish in January and then pretty bearish for start of February, and then bullish again, and then kind of pretty bearish. So didn't have as much of a crazy impact on gold. You expect gold just to go nuts because the stock sold off so much during that time, but it didn't actually go that crazy. So we'll have to see. I mean, obviously, technical-wise, that outlook to gold go higher makes a lot of sense. Absolutely. And that's why we were kind of... You can't hear me? Can everyone else hear me? Afternoon from Cabo? Afternoon, man. Nice. Yeah, price was crazy. You guys on YouTube, everyone else can hear me fine, right? You guys on Zoom can? Yeah, cool. Loud and clear. Cool, cool. So we were actually we were talking about sells today on our Asian market call for price to come down and tap into these regions. However, it was pretty impossible for me to catch that anyway. Came up into these highs. We're looking for this to pull back. He kind of held this nice little left shoulder, head, right shoulder. He had this really nice sell-off back down into 2775. But I couldn't catch a short. It happened way too fast for me to try and short that. But it was nice to see it pulling back from our overall outlook. Because you have a look at the 4-hour on gold. On Friday, you actually ended up closing back below 2800, which is huge. It's a massive psychological level. You found some resistance, and a lot of instruments did sell off on Friday. I think it was especially NASDAQ after filling in that gap. Filled in that gap on NASDAQ, massive sell-off. Massive sell with a lot of lows down here as well. But we'll have a look at that in a second. But yeah, we were saying for gold to come down, hold these regions, even these highs up here, which is massive all-time high resistance. Before then, we do see that pull back higher. However, we have come much lower, and we are starting to